Hello, welcome to Ultimate SQL and Database Concepts course. My name is Jazib Akram and I will be your instructor throughout this course. Now let me tell you about myself. I'm a freelancer and helping and teaching thousands of students online. I have been working with SQL from past 3 years and I put all of my knowledge and work in one place, right in this course. Now let me tell you about the objectives of this course. Actually, writing SQL is not that difficult, but writing the correct SQL statement in the right scenario is very important. So this course will focus on the solid concepts that will help you to build right queries according to your condition. We will start from the basic syntax of SQL and I will tell you about the common errors that a lot of developers makes. Actually, this course will give you some hands-on skills in a very short time. And I especially designed this course for college and university students who are having problems while learning SQL. So if you want to have the solid concepts and want to learn SQL in a very short time, then this course is for you, especially for college and university students. Now let's see the inside look of this course. This course will have 5 chapters that will take you from 0 to 1. So in the first chapter, we will learn about the fundamentals. In the second chapter, you will learn how you can apply different conditions according to different situations on your SQL statement. In the third chapter, we will learn some SQL functions that will help you to minimize your work and maximize your output. In the second last chapter of grouping, you will learn how you can work with more than 2 tables and write the SQL statements which could let you work with more than 2 tables. And finally, in the last chapter, we will see all the joins types. So let's take a deeper look into our all chapters. So in the first chapter, you will learn the fundamentals and building blocks of SQL statement. You will learn how you can select records from the database. We will learn the simple concepts like keyword, clauses, and SQL block. You will learn how you can work with arithmetic expressions and how you can apply the different mathematical operations on your query. The second chapter will focus on the sorting and operators. You will learn how you can sort out your results according to different scenarios. And I will show you how you can use the logical comparison and other operators in your SQL statement. Now the third chapter will only focus on the functions, how you can save your time by using SQL functions. We will see all type of SQL functions and when to use which type of SQL function. Now in the fourth chapter, you will learn how you can work with more than 2 tables, how you can form a group, and how you can apply the functions on that group. And finally, in the last chapter, you will learn the important concepts like primary key, foreign key, and joins. Although these concepts are tricky for a lot of people, but not for you guys, because I'm going to take the real world example to help you understand these complex concepts in a very easy manner. So in the fifth chapter, you will learn all type of joins and when to use which type of join. So let's start our SQL now.